Hey everyone, what's up? I just thought I'd make a video of the ceiling fan in my bedroom again. Now, you might remember yesterday I made a video of it running without the light, without the bulb inside it, without the globe attached and stuff like that. Well, my dad's actually going to Home Depot today to get the correct bulb because the socket is made for the incandescent. It came with an incandescent and it's a certain size, and the standard ones don't fit in there. So, but I'll show you what the globe looks like quickly before we proceed with the video. Here it is. I'll actually put it in the light to see how bright this is. I want to try this out. I don't think this is gonna work very well, but I'm gonna try. It actually looks kind of funny. Actually, looks kind of funny. So anyway, this is what the globe's supposed to look like on the fan. Here, I'll give you a little show. I'll show you what the globe is supposed to go in here. There's supposed to be some screws for it. Like in here, it's supposed to go in like this. But we took it off so that way we could change the light bulb. So the pole changes kind of hang down like this. But the fan still works, and I'll turn it on. We'll start off with high. The light kit does tend to buzz on medium and low speed. But here's high. Obviously, this would be the chain for the light, but the light kit isn't really operating right now. But anyway, this is this is low, or excuse me, this is high. Here's the medium speed. Now here's where it buzzes. I think it's the bare screws. But I don't know if you can hear it. Yeah, it's the light kit buzzing around. Oh, it's this little screw that's buzzing around. So like it does. And now a low speed. Yeah, it's the screw. The light kit is buzzing around real bad. I never had this problem with the globe on. That's off. Sorry, oops. Chain's going crazy. And I'll stop it. And I'll show it in reverse. Here's high in reverse. The fan's buzzing again. Wow, it even buzzes on high. On high and reverse, it's even louder. It's mainly one of these screws. Yeah, it's this particular screw right here. Because I touched it and the noise kind of went away a little bit. This is medium. Yeah, the light kit, it has some vibration problems. And if the room's completely silent, you will hear them. You will hear it vibrate. Now low. So yeah, I apologize it's so loud. This particular screw that I'm touching is really vibrating quite a bit. That's what's vibrating so much. I'll turn it off now. Stop it. And put it back on forward. Trying to make it go a little bit faster. I'll turn it off. But yeah, I just thought I'd make a video of this one more time before I put the globe back on. But yeah. There it is. So thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you guys for watching. I do hope you enjoyed the video. And there's lots more to come. See you later.